This week, I had the honor and privilege of going up to Tallahassee with a group of individuals from the Mortgage Bankers Association, state of Florida. Our mission was to go up there and meet with House representatives and discuss affordable housing and the housing crisis in the state of Florida, and we were definitely successful. We were blessed with the opportunity to sit down with four different representatives individually and discuss what we felt were important topics. Number one discussion with all four representatives was the new property tax reform bill. I don't mean to burst anyone's bubble, but that is absolutely positively not going to pass. All four of them said it and said it is a complete waste of time. What they did say is that the House did approve the bill, and as soon as it went to the Senate killed it immediately. For example, if you take your property tax bill and review it, 50% of your property taxes goes towards school. Another 25% goes towards teachers, firemen, policemen. So if you're going to take your property tax bill, take 75% out of it, because those are exempt from this tax reform. That leaves you 25% of your total property tax bill for some kind of discount. They said it's not going to happen. There are 22 counties in the state of Florida that are under budget. What they explained is the current property taxes they are collecting isn't enough to currently sustain the teachers, firemen, policemen, and school taxes. So you can't take away property taxes. How are they going to pay for any of those services? They're talking about maybe consolidating counties. That is absolutely not going to happen. The only thing that is possible that we really pushed for was portability. Right now, portability is a fraction of your current property taxes if you were to decide to purchase another property, whether downsize or upsize. So we pushed really hard for 100% portability, which would save people money on property taxes. They also said time and time again, renters will never vote yes for this bill because there's no advantage to them. They would say, yes, sure, I would love someone else to have reduced property taxes because I want to buy a house one day. But those people, if we're not collecting it from property taxes, where's the money coming from? It's coming from sales tax. Tom, he's very passionate about it too. It will be an increase in sales tax in the state of Florida. So as a renter, you're not going to want to pay higher property taxes so that someone that owns a house doesn't have to higher sales tax for someone that owns a house doesn't have to pay property taxes. We'll see in November what comes up, but I really, really wouldn't count on it. It's probably a null and void. The other thing I brought up constantly with the House of the Representatives was the insurance crisis in Florida. And what I will tell you is every single time I brought it up, it was pushed away, move on, next topic. We're not going to talk about it. So we didn't get anywhere with home insurance, but I darn sure did bring it up with every representative we talked to. And I stress the importance of the exaggerated and extreme insurance premiums in the state of Florida. If you have any questions, I would love to discuss this more. I'm very passionate about it. Call, text, DM me. I'd love to share more information about what I learned. Thank you very much. Have a great day.